Hello friends, welcome to the third quiz of the series. So let's guess what is the output of this program. What do you think the value of I should be? Should it be 10? Should it be 11? Should it be 12? Okay, do write in the comment box as to what it should be. Okay, let's check it. So we get the value of I as 11. Was your guess right or was it wrong? Okay, let's see how did we derive at this. So before doing this, let's discuss the topic post increment and pre-increment. So that's what is happening here, right? So post is, as the name suggests, post is after and increment is addition. Now, what does that mean? See, if I have two variables I and j, suppose, and I write j is equal to I plus plus. Okay, and what does that mean? First, assignment happens. What does that mean? The value of I will get copied to j. It always happens from the right-hand side to the left-hand side. So suppose if my value of I is 10, then the value of j becomes what? The value of j also becomes 10, right? Now, after this is my first step for post increment. The next step is addition, which means I is equal to I plus 1. Now my value of I is 10. So I add on a 1, it becomes 11, right? So the value of j is 10, but the value of I now becomes 11. So this is post increment. Addition will happen afterwards. First of all, assignment will happen, then addition will happen. Whereas when I have this pre-increment, things are something like j is equal to plus plus I. So pre means before, addition is, increment is addition. So how does this differ? First of all, in this case, addition will happen. So if the value of I, again, if I take the value of I as 10, for example, it will be I is equal to I plus 1. Now the value will become 10 plus 1 becomes what? 11, right? After this, so this is first addition happens. After this, the second step is assignment. So j is equal to I, which means the copying will happen from the right-hand side to the left-hand side. So the value of j will become 11. So now the value of both I and j will become 11 in the case of pre-increment. Whereas if you see here in the post increment, the value of I was 11, but the value of j was 10. Okay. Now let's come on and understand this particular case, the one I've given in the quiz. I is equal to I plus plus. So what do you guess? If the value of I is 10 as given in the program, so what should be the value of, let me write it like this, in the steps in the same sequence as is given in the program. Right. So I is equal to 10, I is equal to I plus plus. So see, this is post increment, right? So addition happens afterwards. First, the assignment happens. Copying happens first. So whatever is the value of I here, which is 10 in this case, that will get copied to the right-hand side. So now the value of I will be 10 only. It will not be 11 because addition will happen afterwards once the assignment happens. Now the second step is I is equal to plus plus I. Now what is my value of I now? What I have calculated? 10. So plus means what? This is pre-increment. Addition happens first. So I is equal to I plus 1. What is the value of I? it is 10 plus 1 becomes what? 11. So that's why I get the value of I as 11 in my answer, not as 12. Because here in this step, addition will not happen. Because that's post increment. Only addition will happen here before assignment because this is pre-increment. So that's why I get the answer 11 as the output. So this particular quiz uses the concept of both post and pre-increment operators. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please like and comment. Do subscribe. Thank you.